How to fix Photos app not working in Windows 11. 1. Run Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. 2. Check for any app updates via Microsoft Store. 3. Reset the Photos app. 4. Disable Show My Cloud Only Contents from OneDrive option in OneDrive. 5. Reinstall the Photos app. Run the following commands in PowerShell, as admin. Gitops package elusers Microsoft.Windows.Photos_2021.2100007.0x64_8week 3d8 package Microsoft.Windows.Photos_2021.2100007.0x64_8week 3d8 6. Install any new Windows updates.